Hey Redheads, everyone else watching, we are so excited. I am going to be showing you today a dewy makeup look that involves contouring, it involves color correcting, and our favorite concealer. Redheads have a really hard time finding products that are going to match their skin. Is this gonna be good for my sensitive skin? And so all August H2 Bar Box subscribers received this concealed palette from Coastal Scents. And as you can see, I've been using it for the tutorial, but we are going to show you how to get the contour, how to get the really dewy look in your skin. But before we get into the tutorial, I just wanted to show you a few products. Now, to have the perfect dewy and really moisturized looking skin, there are things you have to do prior to the makeup look. So this is the Hydro Glow Perfect Image Brightening Cleanser. I use this first. This is also in the August H2 Bar Box. I fully wash my skin with a konjac sponge, and I really make sure that my skin is extra clean because I don't want my pores to get clogged. And then I go in with this Reviva Labs Coconut Charcoal Day Cream. This is also in the August H2 Bar Box. It is so luxurious. I love to put this on before my makeup. I love that it's made for day. And as you can see, it is so awesome. Smells so good. So I put that all over my skin. I wait about 20 minutes, have a cup of tea, have some water, and then I go in, and what you're about to see is the tutorial that I did to give me this look. I really wanted to concentrate on my skin, so I didn't go heavy on my eye. And I used contour, I used concealer, color correcting, and a liquid blush, all from the August H2 Bar Box and also the Summer Deluxe H2 Bar Box. So have fun watching, subscribe to our YouTube, and if you're watching on IGTV or Facebook, love you guys, rock it like a redhead. Okay, and now for the tutorial. So all the August H2 Bar Box subscribers received this concealed palette from Coastal Scents, and look how cool it is when you open it. These are all the contouring and concealers, and we'll dig into those and what colors to use, especially if you're my skin color, or if you're darker. The brilliance of this palette is that you can use it for any skin tone. And these are the color correcting colors. And so color correcting is going to go first. And if you think about like when you were in art class in grammar school or high school, you're gonna do the opposite of the color wheel. So for instance, when you have redness, which a lot of redheads have, I have so much redness on my skin right now, I have no makeup on, you will use the green. And then we'll go through why and how to use the other colors and really have fun with this and see how awesome it is when it's really going to enhance your makeup look. So let's just dig in and I'll show you exactly what to do. So first things first is I always do the color correcting first. And I focus on the green for my color correcting because I have so much redness. So using one of the brushes, these are sold in the H2 Bar Shop. We love these. You get a pack of 10 of all different array of brushes. So I just use my brush. You can use a makeup blender if you want. I prefer a brush. And you're just gonna get, it's really creamy and the product's really nice. And then all I do is I start wherever I have redness. So I have a lot of redness all in here on my cheeks. This is my primary part of my redness. I have a pimple right here, all right here. This is all my redness. I have redness right here on my nose, on my forehead. I have some pimples right here. Now I'm gonna blend this in, but before I do, I wanted to show you the other colors I'll use. So I have a lot of veins, which is almost like bruising. So purple, when you think veins, the opposite is yellow. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna get some yellow and I'm gonna put it right on my eyelids. Okay, and now I'm gonna blend all of this in. There are other colors too that you could use. Like for instance, if you have any yellowness, like sometimes, I'll just show you. I have some yellowness, so I'll put, just like I always get a little yellow right here. So I'll do some this, and then I'll blend it right in. I'll get a clean brush. And I'll just start blending, blending, blending. And the green just really gets rid of the redness like right away. And that's kind of the best part about it. I love to color correct with green. It's my favorite. And this is where I start to really enhance my redhead eyebrows. Okay, now this base is super important because it'll get you all set up for your contour and for your concealer. And I really, really heavily blend. Like I just keep going. And I really look at it like I'm massaging the skin too. I'm always brushing upward for blood flow and for circulation. Get right in the hairline. And I'm really gonna start prepping my skin for that concealer. And get right in here. This area right in here really brightens the eyes. Okay, so now you can see that all my redness is practically gone. And I'm going to go back in now. I'm gonna take out my palette and I'm going to start playing with, I'm gonna start playing with these colors. Now, I'm gonna first conceal before I contour. And so I'm going to use these colors because I'm super, super light, but we'll see. I'm gonna probably mix these two. I'm gonna go in here. And I'm gonna go into my eyelid too first. I really want all of those veins to be out for a really clean look. And I always pop it right in here too, so my eyes look really awake. And it's a perfect match. And we're really excited about this palette because a lot of redheads have trouble finding concealer and contour and color correcting. So to have it all in one palette, we were super excited about it. Now I'm gonna go back in with the concealer again. So I did my color correcting and I did some concealer just around my eyes, and I'm gonna go back in and do that. But first I'm gonna do a foundation, and the foundation is just going to make everything look super put together, and you're gonna really see the difference. For redheads, we always recommend doing a foundation that's going to also have SPF. This is Belly Pure Radiant Sunscreen. It's a favorite of ours. You can tell it's been in my makeup bag. This was in the April H2 bar box. It's one of my favorites. Still using it. So I'm going to go through with my brush and I'm going to put this on so that you can really see the difference with the color correcting right under it. I really want that dewy matte look where you look shiny in the right places, but matte in the right places. And color correcting is the way to do that because it gets rid of all of the yellows and the reds in your skin and the grays. And I always go through too. I blend in my neck a little bit, wherever I feel like I need it, if I have a little redness. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to my palette and I'm going to use concealer just one more time. Now, a lot of people sometimes will just use concealer right after the foundation, and that's totally fine. I just really like that perfect look. So I'm gonna go back in again, right underneath my eyes and in my eyelids with a little bit more concealer. And I'm just in love with the fact that it's a perfect match. It's so hard to find. I literally have one concealer that I love, and I think it's because I'm able to blend and make it my own. Okay. And again, it's all about blending, and I'm using the brushes that are in the H2 Bar Shop. These are a favorite. I love them. And I'm really, really concentrating on the eyebrows and the eye, and then making sure I don't have any redness anywhere else. Okay, and you really want to make sure that that jawline is really blended in. No one wants a line. Hairline. Okay, now we're gonna have fun with the contour. The contour is really exciting because when you're working with something like this, you can have fun with the contour and go super dark, or you can stick to these lighter dark shades. I'm gonna stick to the lighter dark shades. And I'm gonna use a special brush for this. I usually will use a makeup blender, but I'm gonna concentrate on using these colors right here. And I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I always like check it. And that's what I love about these palettes, because you can literally create your own color that's perfect for you and have fun with it too. Like, don't feel like you're not doing the right thing. I always just, honestly, I wing it based on the color. Okay, so for contour, you're gonna come right under here. You're gonna go right up here to the hairline and right under here in the jawline. Right under here in the jawline. And just like color correcting, it looks crazy, but once you blend it in, you're like, oh my God, that makes sense. Now, on top of this is gonna go the blush. Now I'm going to use, this is the blush from the Summer Deluxe H2 Bar Box. Now when I'm working with liquids, I wanna stick with liquids. And then at the end, that's when I go in with powders. So I'm gonna just show you this. I'm gonna go in here with the, I want that like right there. And then the highlighter is gonna go right on top of that, but I'm gonna wait for that until the end. So now it's time to blend. In Redheads, you have to really blend. Usually our fair skin calls for a lot of blending, so don't be afraid to just spend so much time blending, blending, blending until you get the perfect look. Most of makeup is just blending. I really go in there with my hands too, because sometimes I love like the heat from the fingers. You really feel that activate. You're just gonna keep blending and blending. Go in here with another brush and just keep blending. I feel like my nose needs a little contouring. And as you can see, that really pretty glow is showing up. And that's why I love to put the liquid blush on with it. Again, all Summer Deluxe H2 Bar Box subscribers receive that liquid brush. It's awesome. And you really want your cheekbones to really stand out. So there you go. And then highlighter. So we're gonna work again with the highlighter that was in the Summer Deluxe H2 Bar Box, a huge favorite of ours. I'm gonna stick with Diamonds and Glow Gal. I love these two. And I'm gonna do the highlighter right at the top. So it was the contour, the blush, and now I'm doing highlighter right up here. It's where the sun really hits your skin. Right at the bridge of the nose, and right at the eyebrow. Again, we're always working on those eyebrows. I'm gonna keep blending. Again, you wanna focus on going up, and I love the way that looks, the contour, the blush, and the highlighter. It looks like the perfect cheekbone. And it's all from stuff in the recent H2 Bar boxes. Okay, so now I'm going to finish my look with my mascara and of course a little bit of fun with eyeshadow, and my look will be complete.